If you played the Epic Mickey games that came out in 2010 or 2012, you might have heard of him. You even got to see bits and pieces of his shorts, as well as the full short of Oh What a Night, my top favorite out of the ones that have been found. His name? Oswald the Lucky Rabbit. Created in 1926, Oswald was one of the group of rabbits sent to Carl Laemmle to see which would be the face of the new rabbit cartoon he wanted. The rabbit we know was picked, but looked a little different back then. He first appeared in a short called Poor Papa. The short itself does survive, but sadly I can't find a copy of it. The synopsis of it tells a story similar to Mickey's Nightmare, which wasn't a surprise for Walt to have used Oswald's story ideas and make them into a Mickey short. Oswald and the Storks have declared war with bunny children, being the Ammo. Sadly, it was seen as not funny enough, and that Oswald was too old, and the short got pushed back, eventually to be released last. Charlie Troubles ended up being the first Oswald short sent out to theaters. Most of his shorts were filled with gags, but had a new thing at the time, a straight-line story. Between just a day in the unusual life of a milkman to Oswald fighting Putrid Pete for the hand of his girl Sadie back in 1023, these shorts showed a plot and were drawn from the beginning ideas of what a storyboard is today. 26 shorts were done in the 2-year span, all under Charles Mintz, who was under Universal. Out of the 26, only 15 are available for the viewing YouTube public. For a Disney cartoon, this is unheard of because Walt wanted to keep everything the studio had ever done. With Oswald being Universal at the time, he couldn't keep them. And sadly, they're not how they were supposed to be presented back in the day. Universal took some shorts and had reorganized where the clips were, cutting out a few scenes in some. And where Universal isn't at fault, Time is. Over time, the shortage of films during World War II, old films were used to film new things, using the original Oswald reels. Time also works its way through film that does exist. The original reels are almost 100 years old, so Time has had plenty of, time to work away at what is left. There is good news. Now that Oswald is back under Disney, people have been looking for his shorts. In recent years, Hungry Hobos and Africa Before Dark have both been found. Hopefully they'll find more. And since he's back under Disney, he's appeared in an animated Japanese Christmas card, popped up in Mickey's Got a Horse, and even has a little Easter egg in Mickey's new shorts.